Yoongi, give coffee to Jimin. Jimin, coffee for you. Jimin took the mug. What a loving and caring husband I got. I must have done some good deeds in my past life. That's why in this life I got you as my husband. Yoongi sat beside him. Is this so? Then I have must done so many good deeds in my all the past lives. That's why I got you in my life. Kissed on his top of the head. See, I made your favorite breakfast. Jimin, you're so sweet, Yoongi. I was craving for this from long time. Now give me, I can't wait to have this. Yoongi, then why didn't you tell me? If you tell me before, then I will make it earlier. Jimin, you were busy in your work, so I thought not to disturb you. Yoongi, no matter how much busy I am, I will always fulfill your all the wishes. If you don't believe me, then try it anytime. Jimin, I don't want to try it. I trust you. Now give me my breakfast. I can't wait anymore. Yoongi, nah, I won't give it to you. Jimin, wee, it's not fair. You prepared the breakfast for me and now don't wanna give me big angry pout. Yoongi chuckled on his peeked on his cute pout. I won't give it to you because I will feed you my love by my hands. Fed him first bite. How's it? Jimin, it's so tasty. Yoongi, then eat more. I cooked a lot for you. Jimin, if I will eat this much, then I will become fat. Yoongi, then become. I don't have any problem with this. I will still love you like I do now. My love for you will increase every passing second. I will love to pull your chubby cheeks. Jimin, blessed heart, I will get diabetes by this with sweetness. Yoongi, no, my love is sugar free. It won't harm you. Jimin, you are becoming more romantic day by day. Yoongi, I haven't shown my romantic side yet, but if you want, then I can show you. Let's go to bedroom. Jimin shyly hit on his shoulder. Stop it and feed me my delicious breakfast. Yoongi, as you wish, my love. He was feeding him his breakfast while expressing his love to him. He never missed a single chance to express his love to him. Jimin, Yoongi, today's weather is so good. Yoongi looked outside through the big glass door. So tell me, where do you wanna go? Amusement park or cartoon movie date? Jimin, wherever our little bundle of joy wanna go, I will happily go. Yoongi, by the way, where is our little bundle of joy? Jimin pointed his finger in the garden. There. Yoongi, shocked to see outside. Rabbit! Jimin, yeah, rabbit. Our cute little bunny is feeding carrot to real rabbit. Yoongi, and you are saying this with this much ease? What if we scratch him? Jimin, chill Yoongi, nothing will happen to him. This rabbit is coming here from a long time. Cookie and he became best friends. See how cutely he is eating. Yoongi, where did he come from? Jimin, I don't know. One day I was feeding Cookie his food. Then we saw he was stealing the carrot. Since that day, Cookie was waiting for him to feed him carrot in the garden. And he obediently eat that. Till now, he didn't hurt Cookie. He is a baby bunny, so easily get attached with him. Yoongi, it's strange. Till now, I heard cat and rabbit come to home, but in our house, rabbit came. I know he is a baby rabbit, but still, keep your eyes on him. Jimin, of course I will. Do you think I sit here as a fun? I'm sitting here to keep my eyes on them. If I will come there, then that baby rabbit will get scared and runs away. Yoongi, from how long this feeding program run? Jimin, we? Yoongi, because our little bunny who is feeding to baby rabbit hasn't eaten his breakfast yet. Jimin, don't worry, I call him. Bun, come here. Hearing Jimin's voice, Cookie happily ran there. Cook, Minnie! Jimin picked him and made him sit on his lap. Cookie, see, Uni made food for Cookie. Now quickly finish it, then we will go outside. Cook looked at the food. Food! Cookie hungry. Ah! Opened his mouth. Yoongi, such a dramatic kid he is. He goes on Jinhyang. Cook, Oma! Jimin, yeah, we know our Cookie is a Oma's boy. Now finish your food, then we will get ready, okay? Cook, Oti! Jimin, by the way, Yoongi, when will Nam Jinhyang return from their mission? Yoongi, I can't say anything. Whenever their mission will complete, they will return. Jimin, but then also in one day, 1 week, or 1 month, Cookie is missing both of them, especially Jinhyang. It has been 15 days since they left for the main mission. Yoongi, I know he is missing. It's very risky mission, Jimin. We already lost the connection with them. We don't know what's happening there. That's why they sent Cookie to us. They know in absence of them, you will take care of Cookie and never let him feel the absence of his parents. They trust you so much and I have full faith on you. You will handle Cookie well. Jimin looked at Cook. Of course I will. Cookie isn't like my son. He is my son. I will do everything to protect him. I promise to Hangs. Yoongi, you aren't alone. I am with you in this. We both protect him. Time skipped after some times. Jimin came back with Cookie after getting ready. The trio is going to visit Joe, then do their lunch outside. Cookie was so happy. He became so happy as soon as he hears the name of going out. Cook ran to Yoongi while happily chanting, Uni, Uni, Uni. Yoongi picked him in his arms. Oh wow, our Cookie is looking so cute and adorable in this outfit. Who brought this? Jinhyang? Cook shook his head carelessly. No, Datta. Yoongi, Junhyang can buy kids clothes too. I can't believe on my eyes. Jimin, now he is a dad of one cute boy. He learned so many things. Yoongi, except how not to break the things. Jimin, that will be permanent. I wonder how will he do his work in the mission with his clumsiness. Yoongi, whenever he is on mission, his clumsiness left his side and he became so careful. His all the clumsiness comes on in front of Jinhyang. Jimin, don't forget Jinhyang is also with him on this mission. Yoongi, yeah, he is, but they aren't husbands there, they are only mafias. Cook, baby. Jimin looked at him. Of course our Cookie is a baby. Cook shook his head carelessly. No, Cookie, no baby. Cookie, big boy. Cookie, play baby. Yoongi, Jimin, he wants to play with baby. I think we should give him a cute little baby just like you. He must be feeling lonely now. What do you say? Jimin, of course we should give him a baby. Yoongi, then let's go to the room. Jimin hit on his shoulder. Put some brake on your unholy thoughts. You are always ready to go to the room. Yoongi, then here, but now we aren't alone. Cookie is also here. We can't do anything in his presence. Jimin stomped his feet. Ah, I hate you, Yoongi. Cook, Uni, Minnie, mad. Yoongi ran to him and held his hand. Okay, I'm sorry. I was just on teasing you. Don't be mad and let's go to our duty. They were about to go, but suddenly Yoongi's mobile rang. He checked the caller ID and his happy, cheerful expression turned into dark one. Jimin noticed the change and took Cookie from his hand. Cook. Jimin, Cookie, shh, don't say anything. Uni has to attend the important call, so Minnie and Cookie will be quiet, okay? Cook nodded his head carelessly. Utti, said in Jimin's ear. Cookie's both the parents are mafias, so he is trained to stay silent whenever anyone calls them. Yoongi on call. What, today? Looked at Jimin, who gave him a nod. Okay, I will be there in few minutes. Cut the call. Jimin, you go to your work, that's important. Yoongi, but what will happen to our due date? Jimin, Yoongi, it's not like it will be our last date. We will go on lots of dates in future, don't worry. Cook looked at Yoongi. Uni, go, Cookie, strong boy. Cookie, shape, Minnie. Jimin, see, our Cookie is also saying you to go. Yoongi, if I will go, then who will protect you too? Jimin, Yoongi, we have so many security guards. They will guard the house. It's not like in absence of you, anyone come here and me. Yoongi put his right index finger on his lips. Shh, don't say this. I will set the world in fire. If anything happened to you, I won't let anything happen to you both. Jimin, yeah, I know my overpossessive husband. I will take care of the house and Cookie. Yoongi, Jimin, you aren't understanding the seriousness. Jimin, you are talking like it's the first time when you are leaving me here alone. I'm used to it, don't worry. Yoongi, earlier matter was one thing, now the matter is totally different. Jimin, what different? You used to go on mission earlier also, and you are also going there, right? Yoongi, it's not the same, Jimin. Earlier you were alone, but now Cookie is with you. Jinhyang is the king, and Cookies is here. So many mafias are behind his throne. They can't do anything. Yang isn't here, and now I'm also going. I wish I could take you both with me, but it's very dangerous there. That's why I'm worried. Jimin, you go there without any hesitation and worry. If it needs, then I will save Cookie's life, even at the cost of my own life, but I won't let him get any single scratch. That's my promise to you. I will protect him at any cost. Yoongi, I have full trust on you. You know how to send secret message, right? Jimin, I remember how to use that. Yoongi, if you sense any danger, then press the button. I will get your message. Jimin, okay. Yoongi looked at Cook. Cookie, see, there is a secret button. Showed him the red button under the center table. If anyone tried to hurt you or your Minnie, then press this button. It's all over the house. You can press it, any of the button. When you press the button and say help, good people come and save Cookie and Minnie. Does you understand, Bun? Cook nodded his head carelessly. Yes, Cookie, press button, help. Yoongi removed the locket from his neck and made him wear. This locket will protect you. Jimin, Yoongi, what are you doing? This is your lucky locket. Your dad gives it to you. It always protects you. Yoongi, it's the blessing of my mom and dad. I never removed it, but right now, Cookie needs it the most. The locket was made by the substance who reflects the rays and made an invisible wall which protects you from any type of bullet. I don't know if this type of material exists or not. It's just like a magnetic field, but magnet can't divert bullet because it wasn't made by iron. I wrote it on the basis of my imagination. Cook looked at the locket. Cookie, see, Minnie, Uni, no worry. Yoongi, Uni knows how much brave and strong our Cookie is. That's why Uni is going on mission to leave his Minnie. Looked at Jimin. Jimin, please don't go outside of the house. I already arranged the extra security for you two. I will be back here. Jimin, don't worry. I won't go anywhere. I will stay with Cookie all the time. Yoongi kissed on both of the forehead. Jimin quickly covered all the glass windows and door by curtains so nobody think anyone is at home. Yoongi locked the door from outside. Arthur's point of view. Yunmin are 2 years married couple. Yoongi is mafia and Jimin is a homemaker. Cookies. Yoongi's elder Yang Jin's son. Jin is mafia king. After their dad's death, he got the throne. He married to June, who is their mastermind. They both went on very dangerous mission after leaving the responsibility of their one and only son on Yunmin. Cookie is only 2.5 years old. He was very attached with Yunmin, especially Jimin, as in the absence of Jin, he took care of him. Lots of mafias are after his throne. For that, they can harm Cookie too, as he is the heir. Time skipped after some times. Extra security guard reached at the mansion and started guiding it. Cookie was playing inside the house. Jimin was watching the CCTV footage in his mobile. He was in alert mode. Cookie's safety was priority. Suddenly, a loud noise was heard. It was the sound of a falling. He quickly checked the CCTV footage, but nothing was visible there. All the cameras were damaged due to the fall. Jimin hugged Cookie tightly, who was crying mess because of loud noise. He tried to pacify him. He quickly called Yoongi, but he couldn't do call. Yoongi's rival, who attacked on the mansion, already set the chamber. Because of that, all the mobile and landline phone became useless. Neither you can call or send any message. There wasn't any network in his mobile. Now he can't contact Yoongi and tell him about his rival's attack. Soon he heard the loud noise of door breaking. He looked at Cookie, who was tightly hugging him like a baby monkey. He ran to the staircase and opened the secret compartment. He made Cookie sit there and said, Jimin, Cookie, baby, calm down. Nothing will happen to you. See, your Minnie is here to protect you. Your Minnie is a strong Cookie, right? Wipe his tears. Baby, don't cry. Sit here without making any noise. Minnie is outside, okay? I'm hiding you here. Don't come out. No matter whatever happen, I will come to pick you. Do you understand, baby? Cook slowly nodded his head. Yes, Cookie, no, out. Cookie, sit here. Covered his mouth by his hands. Jimin, my good boy. He kissed on his forehead and closed the secret compartment. Cookie was looking at him with big two eyes. Don't worry, there was proper ventilation. He went to the kitchen and grabbed knife and red chili powder for his safety. Yoongi's, but he doesn't know how to use it. He hid himself in kitchen's cabinet. Soon he heard lots of footprints noise. He understood that they broke the door and entered inside the house. He didn't get enough time to use the secret button to ask help. Very soon he was caught up. A man who was fully covered by a black mask dragged him in the living room by pulling his hairs. Jimin didn't scream because he knows if he screams then Cookie will come out. He can't put his life in danger, so he endures the pain. Rival Mafia, where is that little boy? Jimin, I bite his hand and ran outside. Jimin came outside because he doesn't want Cookie hear anything. He knows by doing this he is risking his own life, but he doesn't have any other option. He has to save Cookie's life. Soon he again caught up. This time rival Mafia slapped him harshly and he fell on the ground. Blood started flowing from his side lips. Rival Mafia harshly grabbed his hairs and made him stand. I'm again asking, where is that little boy? Jimin, who little boy? Here isn't any little boy. I think you came in wrong house. Rival Mafia darkly chuckled. I'm asking about Kim Shigojin's son, heir of Kim Empire. Jimin, trust me, here isn't any little boy. Rival Mafia, really? To his men, go and search him. Men, okay boss. Rival Mafia, who are you? Jimin, caretaker. I take care of the house. Rival Mafia, you're such a loyal person, but trust me, you can't hide that little boy. Soon I will him like I did his parents. Jimin became numb to hear this. He can't imagine the death of Namjoon. Soon he remembered once Yoongi told him that Mafia is an expert in playing people's mind. Don't believe on their words. That wasn't the truth. He didn't say anything. Man, boss, here isn't a little boy. Jimin, see, I told you na, here isn't a little boy. You must have been any misunderstanding. Rival Mafia, it's not possible. Definitely he hides somewhere. Set the house on fire. If he was there, then he will burn along with the house. Looked at Jimin. And you, pretty boy, it's the time to say goodbye to the world. Shoot him. Time skipped after some times. It was raining heavily. Because of that, the fire was executed. Yoongi came there and his soul left his body to see the scene in front of his eyes. He saw Jimin was laying on the ground. Blood was flowing from his body. Cookie was shaking him while crying hard. He immediately ran there. Cook, crying hard while shaking Jimin. Minnie! Yoongi dropped on his knees. Jimin! Cook looked at him. Minnie said no. Yoongi picked Jimin in his arms. Cookie, nothing will happen to your Minnie. I will set this world fire. Come, baby. Yoongi took Jimin to the car and Cookie followed them by his tiny baby feet. Time skipped after some times. Yoongi admitted Jimin in the hospital. He went through surgery. Namjoon directly came to the hospital after completing their mission. Jimin hid Cookie in which compartment. There was a secret button. Cookie pressed that button and asked help. Yoongi directly received the message on which mission he was going was a trap to send him out so that his rival Mafia can attack on the house and Cookie. Yoongi's men reached there on time and all the men. But till then he shoot him. Yoongi went to that rival Mafia who dared to harm his love of the life. He hasn't returned yet. Doctors saved Jimin's life. Cookie got some minor injuries. He regained his consciousness and saw Jin in front of his eyes. The first word he said was, Jimin, Cookie. Jin, Minnie, how are you? Jimin looked here and there. Cookie couldn't find word due to weakness. Cook ran to him. Minnie! About to hug him, but Jin stopped him. Jin, baby, Minnie isn't well. You can't hug him now. Cook kissed on his hand. Cookie loves Minnie. Jimin, Minnie also loves Cookie too. Yeah, Cookie is safe. June strokes his hairs. You saved our son's life. How can we repay your debt? Jimin, he is my son too, Hyang. Yoongi. Jin, Yoongi went to take revenge. He will be here in no time. Yoongi, Jimin. Jimin, Yoongi, you are injured. Yoongi kissed on his hand. Jimin, I took the revenge. I didn't leave him. Jimin, Yoongi, I love you. Yoongi, I love you too, my love. Sorry for not coming to protect you at right time. Jimin, you saved my life, Yoongi. No need to feel guilty. Doctor came and treated Yoongi's wounds. He didn't get any serious injuries. Indeed, Cookie is only 2.5 years old, but he has the blood of mafias, and not to forget, he got the power of his dad's 148 IQ. By his presence of mind, he saved his and Jimin's life. By your presence of mind, you can tackle any type of crucial situation with ease. Don't be panic and take wise decision. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I changed some storyline. I hope I didn't disappoint you. I asked you all to choose between two stories and you all chose this one. Don't worry, I will make other one too, but after some times. By your presence of mind, you can avoid the any bad circumstances. So it's important to use your mind in dangerous situation. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.